5 practical money saving hacks. How to save more money each month. You see, guys, the first thing you want to do first is you want to make sure you save with a purpose. Save with a purpose. You always want to save for financial freedom first. First thing of all, don't even save because you want to buy a house, you want to buy a car. None of that stuff matters. The first thing that matters is saving for financial freedom. Having the liquid cash in your account that can cover you for a whole year. That's the first thing you should ever do. Don't ever be saving because you want to buy a car. Don't do that. Save because you want to make sure you're free. You don't want to, if you lost your job right now, you're going to be good. You don't need to make 1 penny for a whole year. If you lost your job right now, that's the first thing you want to save for. Not because you want to save because you want to buy this G-Wagon or you want to buy this Jeep. Don't do that. That's secondary. After you save for a whole year up front, so you don't have to be thinking about money, because when you think about money all the time, you make a lot of impulsive decisions. So the first thing you want to do first is save for financial freedom. That's the first thing I've ever did. I made sure I save a whole year up front. My whole year. You see, my whole monthly expense was like, when I was first started, it was like around $5,000. So what I did, I saved a whole year up front. I saved over $100,000. So I make sure that I don't ever have to be worrying about, oh, if I lost a job, I got to get a job right now. I got to do this right now. Oh, I lost this. I never have to think about that because I saved all of that up front. So that's what you have to do. When you do that, it puts you in a very comfortable position for you to create and make more money in your life. So the first thing you should do first is save with a purpose. Save for financial freedom. Don't save because you want to buy this car. Don't save because you want to buy those things. Save for your whole year's rent, your whole expensive up front. Save that up front and you will never be able to make impulsive decisions again. Number 2, pay yourself first. You have to have an account for investment. You see, every single month, everybody's different. I try to spend $10,000 a month, every single month, learning something new. And that's my investment every single month. So that's what you need to do. You need to take away some money that all the time, whatever bracket you're in. Right now, if you only make, let's say you make what, $2,000, $3,000 a month, you need to be spending $500 every month learning something new. Or even $300. You need to be learning something new constantly, because the more you learn, the more you earn. So you have to have an investment fund. The only investment I recommend anyone doing is investing in yourself, because you would never lose that investment. If you invest in yourself, you acquire more information, you make yourself a better person. Nobody can ever take that away from you. The first investment you should ever make is invest in yourself. So you want to make sure you have an investment account. Some account that you can go in and take money out to be able to buy courses, to be able to get around, go to seminars, go to events so you can get around other super successful people so you can learn something more. That's the first thing you should ever do for yourself. Number 3, know your expenses. You want to track your expenses every single month. You want to track how much are you spending every month. You need to go to your bank account and print out your statement and count how much did I spend this entire month on stuff. You're gonna be like, wait, I made $2,000 this month, but I spent it all. You need to know why. Then you can fix it. If you don't know the score, you can never be able to fix it. So you need to go print out your statement and look on your statement right now, all the money that you spent, so you can know exactly what you spent your money on. Because if you try to think about it, oh, I spent my money on this, I spent my money on that, you're not holding yourself accountable. By seeing it and making an adjustment, you can be able to hold yourself accountable so you're not spending so much. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you know your expenses, because once you know your expenses, you know how much more you need to make so you can be able to pay off all your bills and stuff like that, so you can be able to save for the future. Number 4, procrastinate. You want to procrastinate on buying some stuff. What I like to do is that if I see something I want to buy and I'm like, okay, I want to buy this, I'll wait another week. I'll wait probably 2-3 weeks. Now I'll be like, if I'm still excited as I was when I wanted to buy that product or whatever course or whatever I wanted to buy, if I'm still excited at that product a week later or even 2 weeks later, then I'm gonna buy it. So you want to procrastinate on stuff that you want to buy, because if you're still excited about it, then you can buy it. But if you're not excited about it, don't buy it. You got to buy stuff that you're going to be excited about. When you feel like, oh, if I'm buying this, it's going to make me excited and I'm not going to care that I bought this. Number 5, use cash. It's much harder to let go of cash than you swiping a credit card or swiping a debit card. the percentage, if you Google it, there's more percentage, you spend more on a credit card or a debit card than you will when you have cash. When you have cash in your hand, you're not gonna let it go, because you're gonna realize how, you're gonna be like, wait, it took me so much longer to acquire this money. I'm not gonna let it go. So you wanna make sure you use cash, okay? So if you're new to my channel, every single day I post video just like this to help you become successful and take you to where you wanna go. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. And I want you to comment down below, which of these principles you're gonna use. Are you gonna start saving money for your future, or you're gonna buy all these stuff that's not gonna contribute to your success just to look good for people who don't even know you and people who don't care about you? So comment down below. I will see you on my next video.